the squishies. So the brands of the squishies could be iBloom, Keybrew, Punimaru, Wow, Ariti, Poli, Sanrio, and then there's other ones. So let's get into the video. And also, the way this game works is that I'm gonna hold up a squishy, and then I'm gonna hold up squishy for 10 seconds or however long, and then I am going to, after 10 seconds or however long, I'm gonna guys tell you the brand, and in the comments tell me how many you got correct. So let's get into the video. Here's the first squishy. So if you didn't know, this brand is Ariti. So this is the Ariti cow. So if you got that correct, you got 1 point. So let's next one. Okay, this brand was Senex. So if you got that correct, 1 point. Alright, so this brand was Punimaru. This brand was Wow. This was This brand was iBloom. Sorry if you hear any background noises, it's people outside. This brand was Keybrew. Was Sanrio. Was Eric. This brand was Poli. We have one more, which is the bonus round, and this one you got 5 points. This brand was Doku. So this you get 5 points if you got this correct. So comment down below how many points you got. And I will be doing your points, and I'll do expert and all that in the editing, when I'm editing in this video, so I'll be in the next part. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. But anyway, bye kitty fans!